Imagine a warm summer evening, crickets chirping, and a gentle breeze rustling through your lush garden. Now, picture this scene bathed in the soft, enchanting glow of landscape decorative lighting. Your outdoor oasis is transformed into a magical wonderland. In this video, we will delve into the realm of landscape decorative lighting, exploring different aspects, from its definition and importance to its advantages and disadvantages. We'll also provide you with best practices and real-life design inspirations to help you make the most of this artful and functional outdoor enhancement. Landscape decorative lighting is the use of lighting fixtures and arrangements intended primarily to increase the visual beauty and aesthetics of a particular location. In contrast to general or task lighting, which prioritizes functional illumination, outdoor decorative lighting acts as a conduit for producing an environment, inspiring a feeling, and incorporating artistic aspects into the space's architecture. Its goal is to create an alluring mood and contribute to the overall artistic attractiveness of the outdoor area. This type of lighting involves strategically placing fixtures in outdoor spaces to enhance their beauty and functionality. Unlike standard outdoor lighting that primarily focuses on safety and security, decorative lighting prioritizes aesthetics. Decorative lighting fixtures are intended to be visually pleasing, often blending seamlessly with the natural surroundings during the day and creating stunning effects at night. They come in various forms, such as post lights, pathway lights, garden lights, wall lights, spotlights, and even string lights, each serving a unique purpose in lighting and enhancing outdoor spaces. The importance of landscape decorative lighting cannot be overstated. Here are some of the main reasons why it should be a part of your outdoor space. The primary role of landscape decorative lighting is to create an ambience that's captivating and inviting. When the sun sets, these lights transform your garden, patio, or outdoor space into a fascinating retreat. The soft, warm illumination accentuates the beauty of your landscape, casting intriguing shadows and highlights that catch the attention. One of the main benefits of landscape decorative lighting is that it allows you to use your outdoor space late into the evening. Whether you're throwing a party, having a romantic meal, or simply relaxing with a good book, proper lighting sets the mood and creates a welcoming ambience. Outdoor decorative lighting prioritizes safety over looks. In fact, it can vastly improve it. Well-placed lighting may illuminate paths, steps, and other hazards, lowering the chance of accidents and increasing the security of your outdoor space. Landscape decorative lighting isn't just about your enjoyment. It can also add substantial value to your property. A well-lit landscape dramatically enhances visual appeal, making your home more attractive to potential buyers and visitors. It showcases your property in the best light, quite literally. As with any design choice, landscape decorative lighting comes with its own set of advantages and disadvantages. Perhaps the most obvious advantage is the enhancement of your outdoor space's aesthetics. Properly designed and positioned lighting fixtures can create a visually stunning landscape that's as enchanting at night as it is during the day. Installing high-quality landscape lights can significantly increase your property's value. Potential buyers are often drawn to homes with well-designed outdoor lighting, as it adds an element of luxury and sophistication. With landscape lighting, you can enjoy your outside spaces long after sunset. Whether you're throwing a dinner party, spending a quiet evening by the fire pit, or simply stargazing, decorative lighting can create a pleasant and appealing atmosphere. Well-lit outdoor areas can deter potential intruders and improve overall safety. Motion-activated lights along pathways and near entry points can give you peace of mind while also serving as a convenient feature. Outdoor decorative lighting allows you to showcase the unique aspects of your property, such as a beautiful tree, a tranquil water feature, or a meticulously landscaped garden. This not only adds character but also draws attention to your landscaping efforts. Poorly designed lighting can contribute to light pollution, which can be disruptive to your neighbors and the environment. Depending on the scale of your project, the installation of decorative lighting can be complex. It may involve electrical work, burying cables, and precise fixture placement. This complexity can deter some homeowners from pursuing it. High-quality landscape decorative lighting fixtures and professional installation can be a significant upfront investment. However, it is critical to regard this as an improvement that adds value to your property. To keep your landscape lighting in top shape, you'll need to perform regular maintenance. This includes cleaning fixtures, adjusting timers seasonally, and occasionally replacing bulbs or damaged components. To make the most of your landscape decorative lighting, it's essential to follow the best practices. Start by assessing your outdoor space and identifying key areas that require lighting. Consider the purpose of each area and the desired ambience. Create a lighting plan that addresses safety, aesthetics, and functionality. Select fixtures that match the style and functionality of your space. Consider factors like fixture type, path lights, spotlights, uplights, etc., material, and finish. LED bulbs are energy efficient and long-lasting, making them an excellent choice. Just like indoor lighting, layering outdoor lighting is crucial. Combine ambient, task, and accent lighting to create depth and visual interest in your landscape. This technique can bring out the best in your outdoor space. Implement timers and lighting controls to automate your system. Timers can adjust lighting schedules based on the season, while smart controls allow you to manage your lights remotely and create custom lighting scenes. To keep a clean and unobtrusive appearance, bury electrical wires underground or hide them behind landscape features. Establish a routine for cleaning fixtures, inspecting connections, and replacing bulbs as needed. Proper maintenance ensures your lighting system operates at its best. If you're unsure about your design or installation capabilities, don't hesitate to consult a professional landscaper or lighting designer. Their expertise can help you achieve the desired results. To spark your creativity, let's explore some real-life design inspirations that showcase the versatility and beauty of landscape decorative lighting. Line your garden pathways with subtle, low-level path lights. This creates a whimsical, starlit effect, guiding your way through the garden while maintaining a serene atmosphere. Use strategically positioned uplights to illuminate the canopy of large trees from below. This method adds drama to your environment while casting intriguing shadows and highlights. Enhance the allure of water features like ponds or fountains with underwater LED lighting. The gentle glow will reflect on the water's surface, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. For alfresco dining areas, hang string lights overhead. This provides practical lighting and adds a romantic and festive touch to your meals under the stars. Highlight the architectural features of your home with artistic wall-mounted fixtures. These can emphasize the texture and design of your facade, creating a striking visual effect. Combine the warmth of a fire pit with the charm of landscape decorative lighting. Use in-ground lights around the fire pit to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Deck lights and underwater pool lights can help to illuminate your pool area. This provides safety while also transforming your pool into an eye-catching focal point. Landscape decorative lighting is more than just lighting. It's an art form that elevates your outdoor space to new heights of beauty, functionality, and ambience. By understanding its definition, importance, advantages, and disadvantages, you can embark on a journey to transform your outdoor paradise. Remember that proper planning, installation, and maintenance are essential to achieving the best results with your landscape decorative lighting project. Whether you want to increase your property's value, enhance security, or create a picturesque evening escape, outdoor decorative lighting is the key to making your natural oasis really shine. So, take a chance and let your outdoor space glow with the magic of landscape decorative lighting. Light up your evenings, set the mood, and turn your backyard into a paradise you'll never want to leave. Your outdoor oasis awaits, bathed in the warm, inviting embrace of decorative lighting.